Hey guys, it's me. And in this minute video, we'll be checking out the sweet potatoes. So I dug down here. I was actually harvesting some beans over there when I came down to this beautiful sweet potato here, and I pulled it up. So I thought, what a great time to show you guys my sweet potatoes. Here's another one right here that I'm gonna go ahead and pull up. We'll go ahead and show you this sweet potato right here. Oh, she's a lovely one. Nice. Look, we got some more little sweet potatoes starting right here. And then we got some nice ones growing down in here that I'm just gonna leave in the ground for a little bit so they can get a little bit bigger. But this sweet potato patch here is doing really nice. And to be honest with you, I'm probably gonna have to do some sweet potato control. So, but look at those two nice ones right there. So we'll put those up to cure. And I hope you guys like that. I mean, sweet potatoes are great. Just beware, they will take over. As you see, my sweet potato vine, oh, well, that's clovers. But my sweet potato vine over here, it's like going all over the place. I have to keep it in check, but hey, it's making me some beautiful sweet potatoes. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.